Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting with the essentials. Confirm your carrier and plans support Wi-Fi calling, update iOS, and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Once done, set your emergency address for E911. Carriers require it for Wi-Fi calls. Now reboot the iPhone so the radios and carrier profile reload. This often clears soft glitches. Make sure airplane mode is off and cellular is enabled. Those two settings must coexist for Wi-Fi calling to register with your carrier. You now enable and verify the feature. Go to Settings, Phone, Wi-Fi calling and toggle it on. Input or confirm your E911 address so calls route correctly. Next, in cellular settings, choose LTE or voice and data to allow voice over IP fallback. If the option won't appear or register, reset network settings to clear bad DNS, VPN, or saved network conflicts. This removes Wi-Fi entries and forces the iPhone to renegotiate with the router and carrier. Finish by forcing carrier settings updates. Connect to Wi-Fi and, if prompted, install any carrier profile updates or manually remove and re-add the ESIM/SIM to refresh provisioning. Test Wi-Fi calling on another network or using a phone hotspot to determine whether your router blocks SIP/ports. If problems persist, contact carrier support and provide your device IMEI/IMSI and recent call attempts so they can verify provisioning. Troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.